In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Steam game that's stuck validating. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with a game that just won't load, stay tuned because we're going to walk through a clear step-by-step guide to troubleshoot this annoying issue. First, let's get started by opening your Steam application. If it's not already open on your desktop, look for the Steam icon and double-click to launch it. Once you have Steam open, the next thing you want to do is log into your account. This part's critical because you need to be signed in to make the necessary adjustments. Head over to the top right corner and click on Login. When prompted, enter your account name and password. Make sure you input these details correctly, then click Sign In to access your library. Now, before we proceed to tackle the validation error, an essential step is to ensure you've downloaded the EA app installer. You can find this installer on the EA website or through a direct link provided by Steam if it's related to an EA game. After downloading, run the installer to begin the installation process. It's fairly straightforward, just follow the prompts until the EA app is fully installed on your system. Once installed, open the EA app and check if there's an option to repair your game. If there is, select this option. The repair process might take a few minutes, but it's a crucial step to ensure any corrupted files are fixed. With that done, ideally you should see an improvement, and this may resolve your issues. Let's not stop there. To further ensure everything is running smoothly, you'll want to exit Steam completely. Go back to the Steam homepage. Click on Steam up in the menu bar and select Exit. This will close the application entirely. Once you've exited, reopen the Steam app and navigate to the Steam menu at the top left of the window and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Downloads section and click on it. Here you'll find an option to clear download cache. Go ahead and click that. Clearing the download cache helps to remove any corrupt download files, which can often cause games to hang or validate unnecessarily. After clearing the cache, let's proceed to storage settings. Go back to settings, find storage, and beside your active drive, click on the three dots and select repair library folder. This step ensures that the integrity of your game's installation folder is preserved or repaired if any issues were detected. By following these steps, your Steam game should now validate and launch without a hitch. If the problem persists, you might want to look at individual game settings or reach out to Steam support for further assistance. I hope this guide has been helpful and you can now enjoy your games without interruption. Thank you for watching.